Hello, my name is Sid from Anchor 4x4. Today we've got a 72 plate Ford Ranger in white. It's an extended cab, so it's got 2 seats in the front and 2 more just behind. It does come with a canopy on the rear, as well as a tow bar. And the canopy does have 2 side entrances as well. This model comes with Bluetooth connectivity to your phone with hands-free voice commands, cruise control, air conditioning, a heated windscreen, and a 6-speed manual transmission. For any more information, have a look on our website or give us a call.